Hi children, hope you are keeping fine. Today, once again, I come to you in the form of this video. The other day, we have discussed about the different ways, different levels of evolutions. Today, in this lesson, we will discuss about the Iron Age. Remember, the prehistoric period is divided into three stages, three ages. Number one is the Stone Age. Second one is Copper Age. And the third one is Iron Age. Why it is? Because I have already discussed that the period on which people were using different tools to do their daily work. According to that, the ages also have been divided. And so today we have come in the third stage or third ages, that is the Iron Age, because here people use the iron. So what it is? History is vast, so to understand it better, archaeologists have divided into different periods. This division has made the study of history easier and interesting. So, in the previous chapter, we have described about different ages, and so in this age we are. Let us. I am going a little further, skipping 2-3 lines and going that Iron Age. So we have come to this stage. What is Iron Age? The prehistoric period during which the use of iron became prominent or significant is called the Iron Age. During this period, people were using iron implements for their work, to do their work. So the knowledge to extract iron from rocks came to this age. The knowledge helped them, and people began in the Middle East around 1200 BCE and spread it to different parts of the world like Egypt, Greece, West Africa, Northern Europe, India, and other parts of Asia. So therefore, we can say that the beginning of Iron Age varied from region to region. That is what it means to say. Next point of this is the tools and weapons. So now it is the use of. So people, how they use the iron. In this age, iron replaced bronze. Remember, it was bronze earlier, to make tool and weapons, because this was stronger and durable, lasting. Other point is the use of this tool in the farming. So farming is the important occupation. Agriculture, that means agriculture, and so people used iron tools in farming. During this age, people use iron for making improved tools for farming. From plowshares called adze were used, that was quite efficient and stronger. The art was made primarily from wood. This was plowshares. It is called plowshares. That was made by the wood, but at the end point, the tip of the wood to the implement, the iron was fixed. So that it made it easier. Other iron tools is commonly used is sickle to harvest crops, axes to cut down the trees and clear the forest, These tools made possible to bring more land under cultivation. That's what. Next place the iron was used was to the use of armor and weapons. Besides all these implements, tools, armor was important. See why they were using armor? As they increase in number, the increase of tribes and the groups of people increase. So what they were doing, that they started extending their areas, and when they did that, there were some who did not like, they have to fight, and so there was a war. The war fight starts, both against the wild animals and against the other groups of people. And so this was used. Armor means a shield, body shield, or the helmet. All these are armors. Weapons, the arrowheads and other swords, spears, etc. was made out of iron. Soldiers of various tribes marched to different places and conquered land using these iron weapons. This made the kings more powerful. Okay, that was about the field in which iron tools were used. So next point of our discussion is the life of people. After discovering the iron tools, what kind of life people led? People in the Iron Age were mostly engaged in farming and rearing livestock. Now, what is this livestock? Farming, we know that, growing crops. What is livestock? Livestock are essential animals domesticated for daily use, maybe for meat, milk, egg, and so on. And so they are the poultry farming, the rearing of goats, sheep, asses, cows, donkeys, camels, buffaloes. All these are our livestock. They are stocked, they are collected, and anytime we use them. That's why they are known as livestock. Improvement in farming technique due to the use of iron based tools led in the increase of food production. So food was product in large amount, and because of the help of the iron tools. So the surplus food grain also meant that people could engage in buying and selling because they have extra. So they did not allow them to spoil, but they wanted to sell to the others. The carpentry and other works and metallurgy, other works were also engaged. So they were busy doing all this work. So they were given surplus, extra ones. People who were directly not involved in agriculture had to exchange tools for grains, and this led to the development of trade practice, buying and selling things. As trade increased, use of coins began to facilitate as transaction. Today we have got the coins, notes and all that. Archaeologists have found more than 5,000 Iron Age coins near the Halaton in Levinsonshire. So these are the evidence we have today. Okay, that's all for today. Next day we will discuss in next video the Iron Age innovations. What are the new things found in during the Iron Age? Okay, till then, keep safe.